Yo, what's up? We back again, MCKL. We got a big event today. We playing some co-ed kickball, men's kickball. Yo, we really finna get at it. People been talking a lot of shit, so we gonna see if they can back it up. I got nothing but highlights for you. Man, it's finna be cracking. And they barbecuing, so you know we finna have fun.
Yeah,
12 on here doing his thing. Throwing it down. Yeah, we out here today.
Yo, we turning up, MCKL.
Gang shit. Hey. Thank you. Go. It takes a lot to be undefeated.
Wow!
We lit.
Hey, what's up? Give me over here.
Yeah!
Come get you a pup.
Okay. What kind of pup?
Frenchies, American Bullies, pocket.
How old is they?
18 weeks. Best in the city.
Okay. So we at 3 now. What is that?
Bring up. Y'all got 4. Oh! Big save! Yeah, winning team.
3-way sweep for you, boy.
Me too. Good game, guys. Good game, guys. Good game.
Hey, y'all, we just want to say we appreciate y'all, whoever helped out cooking, man. I appreciate y'all for coming out. You know, it's good to always do something positive. Back kick it with the family. I appreciate y'all coming out.
All right, thanks for coming out, everybody. Hey, 40-40, I be chillin' with my brodies. Rollin' stogies, dusty doors, all we talking. Don't get too close, I'm giving niggas Melvin Jodies. I know some niggas pop your ass, then crack a coney. Hold on.